Want to protect a PDF from editing, copying, or printing, but don't want to pay for it? You're in the right place. Say goodbye to expensive subscriptions like Adobe Acrobat Pro. In this video, I'll show you 2 proven, completely free ways to secure your documents. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Using the free JOPDF desktop program. JOPDF is a professional, entirely free PDF editor that works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Just like Acrobat, it's packed with tools for editing, annotating, converting, and managing pages. But the best part? Every single feature is free. Here's how to lock down your document. Launch JOPDF and import your file. Next, head over to the Protect tab and click Encrypt. In the pop-up window, tick the box next to Permission Password and type in your secure password. By default, JOPDF will completely lock your PDF from editing, copying, and printing. But you can easily customize this. For example, you can block edits and copying, but still allow people to print it. Once you're set, click Apply. And that's it. Now, nobody can mess with your file unless they have that password. Need to change the settings later? Just click Encrypt again. If you want to remove the lock, click Decrypt and enter your password. It's that simple, and it won't cost you a penny. Method 2. Using a free online tool. If you'd rather not download any software, an online tool is a great alternative. For this example, we'll use PDF2Go. Just open your browser, search for the site, and upload your document. Scroll down to the Settings section, and check the boxes to prevent printing, copying, or editing. Type in your password, hit the Start button, and wait just a moment for it to process. Once it's ready, simply click Download to save the secured file straight to your computer. So, there you have it, 2 fantastic, completely free ways to protect your PDF files. Whether you prefer a quick online tool or a dedicated desktop program, you've got options. If you find yourself working with PDFs often, I highly recommend downloading JOPDF. So you always have a complete toolkit ready to go. Start protecting your PDFs today, and thanks for watching.